Here we have a 2017 BMW 430i M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle comes with the carbon black exterior paintwork. We have the LED headlights, gloss black front kinder grills and also front splitter. We have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so coming around to the driver's side you then find the side skirts running along the bottom. Apologies about the sunlight. You'll find the 19-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers as well behind. We also have over £6,000 worth of optional extras on this vehicle, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention a couple, we have the M Sport Plus package and also we have the driver comfort package. Front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle with a visual display inside. We have the power operated tailgate at the back along with the rear diffuser and the twin pipe exhaust on the left. If we take a quick look at the interior now, so inside of the back you'll find we have the full black leather seats. We have the foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. Electric windows on the doors. Take a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats, with both front seats being heated. They're also electrically adjustable as well, the driver's seat having the memory function. Let's take a seat inside. You'll find the automatic lights down here. You also have the automatic wipers on this stalk. Premium Harman Kardon sound system. Multifunctional steering wheel in front of us along with the dashboard as well. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up. You'll find we have the speed limiter and the cruise control here on the left along with the high beam assist on that stalk there. Paddle shifters as well either side. Dashboard free from any warning lights. We do also have the main infotainment screen here in the centre. If any of these screens or lights are flickering in this video, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. You have other features with the buttons down here. Click onto media, you'll find we have the radio stations. Over to the left and you find the other options for the media. We do have the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Moving further down you've got the vents. We also have the climate control, the ice-cold air conditioning, heated seat buttons as well either side. USB port just down there, cup holders, automatic gearbox which has the different drive modes. You can press these buttons and quickly switch through the different drive modes just like so. It also pops up on the dashboard as you flick through them. Putting the car into reverse you then find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, we have the manual handbrake and finally the armrest here in the centre. You can open that up and you'll find some extra storage along with the wireless phone charging. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.